Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of automobiles. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the year, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Known for its balance of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the GLE continues to evolve, and the 2026 model brings some exciting upgrades that make it more appealing than ever. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE maintains its bold presence with a refreshed front fascia that features a revised grille design and sleeker LED headlights. The overall design feels more sculpted and aerodynamic, enhancing its road presence while still preserving the elegant and muscular identity that Mercedes-Benz is known for. The rear of the SUV also receives subtle updates, with redesigned taillights and a cleaner bumper layout that further refine its luxurious appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 GLE offers a range of powertrains tailored for different driving preferences. Starting with the base model, it is equipped with a turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers a well-balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those seeking more performance, the six-cylinder variants and AMG models are available, offering increased horsepower, refined acceleration, and a dynamic driving experience. All models come with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which ensures superior grip and stability across various driving conditions. Inside, the GLE continues to set the standard in terms of interior luxury and comfort. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, with ambient lighting, soft touch surfaces, and an updated digital cockpit that spans across the dashboard. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the 12.3-inch infotainment display now operate on the latest MBUX system, which is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than before. Voice control and touch-sensitive controls make navigating through menus seamless, while the augmented reality navigation system provides real-time overlays for easier route guidance. Passengers will find the seating spacious and comfortable in both rows. The optional third row is best suited for children or short trips, but it adds flexibility for larger families. Heated and ventilated seats, multi-zone climate control, and massaging functions are available, making long drives more enjoyable for both drivers and passengers. The cargo space remains generous, and folding the second and third rows creates a flat loading surface, perfect for transporting bulky items. The 2026 GLE also steps up its game in terms of safety and driver assistance. Mercedes-Benz continues to offer a comprehensive suite of features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. New for this model year is enhanced adaptive cruise that adjusts not only for traffic flow but also for road curvature and terrain. This adds a layer of intelligence and security to highway driving, reducing driver fatigue on longer journeys. In terms of ride and handling, the GLE offers a smooth and composed drive. The optional Airmatic air suspension system adapts to different road conditions, offering a plush and comfortable ride during normal cruising and stiffening up during more spirited driving. The steering feels precise and responsive, and the SUV manages corners well for its size. Overall, it delivers a confident and stable driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. For tech enthusiasts, the 2026 GLE does not disappoint. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and an available Burmester surround sound system that delivers crisp, immersive audio. The interface now supports over-the-air updates, ensuring your vehicle stays current with the latest software and features without needing a visit to the dealership. All in all, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is a well-rounded luxury SUV that blends innovation, comfort, and performance. It is perfect for those who want a premium driving experience without compromising on practicality or technology. Whether you're looking for a family hauler, a daily commuter, or something to enjoy on weekend road trips, the new GLE checks all the right boxes. Thank you for watching our detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest car news, reviews, and in-depth comparisons, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Auto Pulse Media.